Hey folks, here's that starter again. Like I said, this will be the last time I'm taking it out. Had to put some heat tape around that one connection there. So yeah, they say these starters are not a heat sink. They won't absorb all the heat. So I guess we'll find out. So now I just gotta reinstall it for the last time. And I got this heat tubing. It runs all the way down. So I'll hook it all up and I'll get back to you, okay? Okay, talk to you later. Bye. Well folks, there you go. It's all in. Bolted in place. The heat shroud covering is on. Even there's a little wire, don't know if you can see it, it's right, where's my finger? Oops. Oh, I can't see my finger. Okay, I don't know if you can see that very well. There's a tiny little cable right there. You can just barely see that. That's the one that goes to the ignition. It's just a piece of 12 gauge wire. Yeah, I had to wrap that too, so it's protected. Yeah, my camera's got pretty good little close-up zoom. I mean, I was only I was only about 6 inches away from that. But yeah, anyhow, it's all in. This clamp here had a rubber insert. I wasn't too sure about putting the rubber in there because of any heat, so I just took it out. It's loose in there. It's no tension on it or anything like that. It's good here. Sorry, it's good here. So yeah, everything's tight. As you can see, no movement, no nothing. So now, all we gotta do is, one sec, hook this up back to there. There's also a ground cable that goes underneath that, so it'll sit like that, and then that's perfect because the heat cable ends right there, and this will go on here like that. And oh yeah, and that'll go in here like this. That will cover there, and then that'll be it. So yeah, so that was a real headache. One of those little jobs where you get so frustrated you gotta take a break. So yeah. So all that's done. Everything's away from the heat. I just hope when I turn the key, everything goes as planned. And no bloody surprises. Okay? Well everybody, hope your day's as good as this. Beautiful. It must be about 23 degrees Celsius. Beautiful out here. So yeah, so like I said, hope everybody had a good day. Hope everything's going good, family's good, project's going well. Okay, well, like I always say, peace out and build on, folks. Bye.